Finnegan's Wake. Tim Finnegan lived in Watling Street, and a gentleman Irish and mighty odd. He had a brogue, both rich and sweet, but to rise in the world, sure he carried a hod. Now Tim had a touch of the tippler's way. For the love of the liquor he was born, until half a man is work each day, the drop of the crater every morn. Why, for the dark, that's the partner around the floor, which it shot a shake. Wasn't it? It's a dream, I tell you, lots of fun, the Finnegan's Wake. One morning Tim felt rather full, his old head felt heavy, and it made him shake. He fell off a ladder, he broke his skull. They carried him home, his corpse to wake. They wrapped him up in a nice clean sheet. They laid him out upon the bed, with a naggin of a whiskey at his feet and a barrel of porter at his head. What full of that? That's the partner around the floor, which it shot or shake. Wasn't it? It's a rude tight towers, and that's some fun of Finnegan's Wake. His friends assembled at the wake when Mrs. Finnegan called for lunch. First they brought in tea and cakes, then pipe tobacco and whiskey punch. Then the widow O'Brien, she began to cry. Such a lovely corpse did you ever see? Ah, Tim Lavornin, why did you die? How would your wishes, Molly Mingy? What full of that? Can't see a partner round the floor, which is shot a shake. Wasn't it? The shoot and tells a lots of fun, and Finnegan's Wake. The widow O'Brien took up the job. And she now Biddy, you're wrong, I'm sure. When the other Biddy gave her a box in the gob, it left her sprawling on the floor. Civil war did then engage. There was woman to woman and man to man. Shillelagh love was all that raging around when the ruction soon began. Whack on the dog, Nancy a partner, round the floor and shot and shake. Wasn't it? You seem to tell you lots of fun, that Finnegan's Wake. Mickey Maloney ducked his head when a naggin of whiskey flew at him. He ducked, it falling on the bed. The whiskey scattered over Tim. Be that he revived, see how he rises. Tim Finnegan rising in the bed, saying, whittle you're a whiskey around like places, tugging and chases, do you think I'm dead? Why, follow now, will you dance, see a partner down the floor, with your shot and shake. Wasn't it? The Silton Towers, and that's some fun at Finnegan's Wake. What full of dance, the partner round the floor, with your shot and shake. Wasn't it? The Silton Towers, and that's some fun at Finnegan's Wake. Thank you. That was your best.
I'd like to play a little melody for you now on the fiddle. This is a waltz that I composed a number of years ago. I suppose it's a dangerous thing bringing waltzes to Vienna. So I called